Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Stash Finder Meteor client. First, ensure you have the Meteor client installed and running. Navigate to the modules list and locate Stash Finder. Activate it with a simple click. This powerful tool helps you find hidden player stashes and bases across the game world. We'll cover the initial setup, including how to access its settings and begin your search for valuable loot. To configure Stash Finder, open your Meteor client GUI and find the Stash Finder module. Click on its settings icon. Here, you can define your search parameters. Adjust the search radius to cover a larger or smaller area, perhaps 1,000 blocks for a focused search. You can also set minimum and maximum block counts to filter out very small or extremely large structures, making your search more efficient. Once Stash Finder is active, it will begin scanning the loaded chunks. You'll see visual indicators, often colored boxes or outlines, highlighting potential stash locations. Green might indicate a small chest, while red could signify a larger base. Pay close attention to the coordinates displayed. These are crucial for navigating directly to your discoveries. Remember, patience is key, as not every indicator will lead to a massive haul. For advanced use, consider pairing Stash Finder with modules like FreeCam or X-Ray to get a better view of detected areas without breaking blocks. Optimizing your chunk loading settings can also significantly improve performance, especially when searching large areas. Experiment with different radius and block count values to find what works best for your playstyle. And hey, if your car needs a refresh, check the description for a link to Little Trees, Black Ice, and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.